You see this fake background? It is fake. Yes, fake. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to make your background fake. Hey, you see, so if you don't know how to make a fake background, I believe you have been following my series of video editing from the beginning to the end. In this video, I will show you how to use fake backgrounds. First of all, before you use a background, most times people shoot in their parlors, people shoot in their bedrooms, people shoot where again a plain background. Make it professional. So head over to Pinterest and download, search for backgrounds, maybe bedroom backgrounds or parlor backgrounds. Look for the one that match your type. Don't go and carry Indian background on how they are doing their celebration with all those big upstairs and down this thing when you know it does not represent you. Look for the one that suits you. Download it right into your phone. If you don't know how to download anything on Pinterest, watch my videos. You will check and see a video I talked about how to download and use Pinterest. So once you have done that, you've downloaded it, come back to your YouTube. This is one thing. Come back to your phone. This is one thing you need to know. CapCut currently will not allow you to use a fake background. Why? They only allow that feature for their paid subscribers, people that have paid into them. But hey, this is the game changer. InShot, okay? InShot gives you this opportunity to remove this. So let's head over and I will show you. So to remove background from a video you have already recorded, let's imagine your background is not so clear, like you don't like where you shoot your video and you want to change the background of that video. Trust me, it's very simple, like I already said. So we are using InShot because I already told you that in CapCut, that feature is for pro people that have paid. The InShot is free, so we head over to InShot. I've already tapped my InShot. Tap on video, tap on new, change to video, choose any video that you like. Let me choose this fat lady here that's dancing. I made this video for the Martin's home, my fashion channel. Yeah, so this is her, she's dancing. Hey guys, how are you today? So that's the background of I would have loved something something shorter. That video is too long. It's too long. Okay, let me pick this one. Fine. So this is the video, and let me just zoom it out. Fine. So this is the background of the video. Let's imagine you just shoot a video like this and you don't like the background, the fan is blowing. Maybe, well, to me it doesn't mean anything, but if you don't like the background of the video, as I've added to the video, head over to cut out. Okay, cut out. Look at cut out here. I don't know if you saw it. Just scroll the way I've scrolled and you will see cut out this place. Okay, tap on it and it will open. And cut out is here. Tap on this one. Already the background is removed. So give it some time. It will do the magic and it's removing the previous one. You see the percentages below here. It's showing 42, 44, 45, 49, 50. It's so fast, yes, because the video is very short. Okay, it's very short. But let's imagine that the video was longer than this. It will take a longer time, of course, to remove, but not too long. And the good thing is that it's free here on InShot. Fine, cut out completed, mark it. So if you have other things you want to be editing the video while the cutout is, just as you apply it, mark it. It will be, the percentages will keep on adding while you are doing other editing. So we have already removed the background. It's showing black here. The next thing you need to do is to search for background. Okay, first we added cutout and now we are adding background. If up to this time you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and tell me in the comment section if you have gotten value in this video. Okay, so I believe you know where I tapped background. Look at background here. So tap on background, it will come. Tap on this picture icon, tap on it. Fine, let's search. I've already told you by now you've already downloaded the background you want to show your video. So let me check for a very beautiful background that I would like to use. Okay, Please tell me if this is what you like to do. And the background I have used in my video there, did you like it? Okay, this was a background I customized using AI. I gave it the prompts and it gave me this beautiful background with my name. What if I use it? Yes, what if I use this very one? Okay, let me use this one. So after adding the background, here is blur. You see blur, 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 blur. Okay, I don't want to do that. Yes, I want this. Wow, this is so beautiful. Do you see me? Do you see me? I have a background of the video with even my name. So if you don't want to download on Pinterest, you can head over to, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use Meta AI, and all these AIs that give them some prompts and it will give you something very nice. You see the prompt I had there with my name. I'm going to mark it. If I don't want, I've already shown you if I want it blur. So it's already. Oh, just one of these videos that you're just there, nothing more. So that is that. Just get your InShot on your Play Store and use this feature. I know you are gonna love it. Give this video some thumbs up by liking this very video. Just tap on that like button because I know that you have gotten a lot of value in this video. Not just that, remember to click on the subscribe button to be updated with my tutorials. There are a lot I offer in this channel: YouTube monetization, hand growth, tutorials, tech, and otherwise. I love you. Also tell me in the comment section, is this what you would like to try in your next video editing? Let me know in the comments. Love you. Bye.